right, Big Brother is watching, and Big Brother's going high-tech, too. Surveillance cameras in Chicago can do some pretty cool stuff. Check this out. It zooms in. It'll zoom out. It'll take a look around, almost 360 degrees. The city and IBM are calling it the most advanced security network anywhere in the U.S. And Sam Doknovich is the director of IBM Digital Video Surveillance Services, and he is our guest now. Hey, Sam, good morning.
Good morning, Bill.
Tell me what's so good about this system, because we've seen it in use in places like Newark, New Jersey, that we'll detail. We've seen it at work in London for a couple years now. But what's different and special about yours?
Well, two things. First of all, Chicago, the deployment in Chicago has connected multiple organizations together, allowing sharing of video. So, for example, if an incident happens, the Office of Emergency Management and Communications gets the video and then can dispatch it to first responders or law enforcement agencies, making them more effective.
Okay, as you talk, we're going to roll this graphic again here. It's some pretty cool stuff here, but I understand if a car circles the Sears Tower like 3 times, it would make the computer suspicious of the vehicle and would call that in? Is that how it works?
You have some of it right. The next innovation is using analytics, these artificial intelligence computer programs, to filter the video to provide alerts on only real incidents for the proper law enforcement officials to take action.
Well, only if they're real incidents. So if I'm driving around looking for a place to park, it's not going to call me a terrorist. Is that what you're saying?
Exactly. And you know, studies have shown that the public feels much safer in an area, whether it's a building or an outside area where surveillance cameras are deployed, because surveillance cameras are just replacing the eyes of local law enforcement or security officials.
Well, this system can recognize a gunshot, too, can it not? And that's what Newark is trying to do, too, with these recent shootings about a month ago.
Right. There's various programs that you can integrate into this security system, like a gunshot audio detection system.
All right, as you talk about that, too, sorry, there's a bit of an interrupt in the satellite. You can recognize license plates, too. It's coming to the second city. One of the things that you think is so good about this system is that computers don't fall asleep. Humans do.
Well,
right,
exactly.
Sam?
Exactly. One of the challenges as you deploy more and more cameras is, does that scale? Can you have 1,000 people watching 1,000 screens? Obviously not. So here you use artificial intelligence to filter all that video, so only the high-level incidents, the potential terrorist threats, or other important data get to the right people.
Sam,
makes them much more
time.
effective.
Yeah, I got to run. Sam Doknovich, thank you, along with IBM and the city of Chicago, putting this thing in hopefully good use, too.
Yeah.
Sam, thank you,
Bill.
Good to have you on, man.